How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Here, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on the three lines at the top right. After you click on here, it will lead you to this page. Click on Account Center at the top. After you click on Account Center at the top here, scroll down to your information and permissions. Click on it. Then click on Export Your Information. After you click on Export Your Information, it will lead you to this page. Click on Create Export. After you click on Create Export, click on Export to Device. After you click on Export to Device, select your mail. After you've selected your mail, make sure you select date range as well. But before that, go to Customize, uncheck all, and only select Messages. Scroll down and search for Messages. As you find it here, click on Messages, clear everything, press on Save. Select date range, press on Save. Scroll down, click on Start Export. Then add your password, and after you have added your password, you will find your file in your mail that you have selected. And after you find the mail, you can download the file and you will find all your deleted chats. And this is how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.